Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lakin. Today I'm going to be organizing my tea and coffee station, so if you want to see that, then just keep watching. So I just removed everything from the cabinets, wiped them out really good, disinfected them. I put my special cups up on top, the ones that I don't want to really use or get broken, but I want to keep because the one on top says new mom, and that was actually given to my mom when she was pregnant with me, so it's super special to me. And then I have my teacups, and then on bottom I have my other coffee cups. And I'd use the KonMari method to get rid of over half of my cups, and I only kept my favorites. And then here is my tea collection. I love tea, and these are just some of my favorites. Traditional Medicinals is my absolute favorite organic tea brand. If you have any questions about the teas, then just comment below, and I'll try to answer those questions to the best of my ability. But yeah, most of these I absolutely love. I'm not a huge fan of the Constant Comment or the Cinnamon Apple Spice, but I do leave those here for my mother-in-law. So yeah, but the others I really do enjoy. And yeah, I did further declutter my teas later on. I'll have that in an upcoming video. I got a tea box from Ross. It's really beautiful. And I think it's made out of mango wood. It's just a really pretty bohemian style little box with drawers that I put my teas in. Can't wait for you guys to see that. So stick around if you'd like to see that. But for now, I just decluttered the boxes that were almost empty and kept the ones that were full. Okay, so on top I've got all of my teas and my cocoa powder and my French press for my coffees and some cups that are really special to me. One says new mom, and that's one that my mother got when she was pregnant with me, so it's really special. And then in the middle I have my teacups, and on the bottom I have my coffee cups. And then this is just how I've set up my little area right underneath where the cups are, and this is just like my little sugar bowl, honey bowl. This one is from the Pioneer Woman collection. Excuse me, and I will link it below. And then these other ones, the honey one I found at Marshall's, and then the strawberry sugar bowl I actually found at an antique store. So I don't know if you can get that one anymore. You might be able to find it somewhere, but I'm not sure where. And this is just what it looks like once again. The little sign on top of my Keurig is from Hobby Lobby. It says, "All I need today is a little bit of coffee and a whole lot of Jesus," which is true. And then down below is where I have my K-cup organizer. My mother gave me this one, I believe, so I'm not sure where she got it, but I will try to find one and link it below as well if you'd like one for yourself. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you, and Jesus loves you too. God bless you all. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more videos like this one. Bye.